Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Chicken Yakhni Pulao. First, gather your ingredients including chicken pieces, whole spices like bay leaves and cardamom, and aromatics such as onion, garlic, and ginger. Place these in a large pot with about 6 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. This creates a flavorful broth, the heart of our pulao. While the yakhni is simmering, wash 2 cups of basmati rice thoroughly until the water runs clear. Then, soak the rice in fresh water for at least 30 minutes. This helps achieve perfectly cooked, separate grains. Next, in a separate large pot, heat about 1/4 cup of oil. Add sliced onions and cook them until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Stir in ginger garlic paste and green chilies, cooking for about 1 minute to release their fragrance. Now it's time to bring everything together. Add the tender, reserved chicken pieces to the pot with the sautéed onions and spices. Carefully pour in the strained yakhni broth. You should have approximately 4 cups of this rich, flavorful liquid. Bring the entire mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, gently add the previously soaked and well-drained basmati rice, spreading it evenly across the pot. Once the rice is added, reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly with a lid to trap the steam and let it cook undisturbed for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat but keep the pot covered for an additional 10 minutes. This allows the rice to steam perfectly. Finally, gently fluff the fragrant chicken yakhni pulao with a fork before serving it hot with raita or salad. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.